Hello and welcome. Hiya, welcome to the channel. What we're doing today, shop's closed, it's Sunday, so just come down to show you the latest project. So here's the GPZ 900, which I posted some videos on. I've got some more to post, primarily the road tests we did. I'll try and get them online shortly. But we have brought another Kawasaki, so let's go and have a look. So shop's closed today. I'll just take you around. Oh, latest detail jets, absolutely phenomenal bits of kit, unbelievable, such good quality and design. We're going to go downstairs. Okay, into the inner sanctum. Now then. It's a bit of a maze. It's the problem you get with a 1860 building, and you extend it, you end up with bits and pieces everywhere. But still, here we are in the workshop, and here it is. GPZ 750 Turbo E1 1984. Now this is a Canadian import. We got the VIN number off the guys we brought it from, just to double check, and it falls into this category here, JKA ZXDE1 Canada. US and Canada adopted the 17-digit code earlier than the Europeans. I believe that's correct, but it's definitely an E1 model, which is ideal. I wanted a first generation, as it were, of them. It is a E1, E2, but so there it is. Not bad condition actually. Lots of potential for the age. It's very, very good condition. Brakes aren't even binding. Original brake hoses. Lots of little things that I like to keep them 100% or as close to original as possible. So we've got a few jobs to do. There's a few bits missing. Notably, just obviously, the aluminium mid-turbo panel, which is very distinctive. That's missing. Inner panels that go above it, and the belly pan that goes below it. So those are items. They're all pretty hard to find. What else is there? There's the inner panel here, and the fan has a little stud there it fits on, just to tidy it all up. Make it look neat and tidy. Kilometre clock, 46,504 kilometres. Again, they share quite a lot of stuff with GPZ, so we can always get a mile an hour clock on it without too much drama. Red mud guard needed. Lots of little bits and pieces. You've got original silencers, but this one's pretty good. A little bit of scuffing at the back, which is a shame, but could be usable. The right one's not usable, it's really gouged, and it's got a loose baffle in there as well. So, yeah, lots of potential. Lots of bits needed to be got. A lot of run-of-the-mill stuff, gaskets, no problem. Fairing panels are a problem. I'm talking with a couple of guys in Germany at the moment who seem to be mad for turbos. So there's stuff out there, but everyone seems to be asking quite a lot of money for things. But hey, that's the way it is. So what have we done? We just popped it on the bench, because it was sitting a bit low, so we thought, let's get it on the bench, get it on the main stand. And that was easier said than done. Main stand wouldn't clear the suspension wishbone, the 3-point link. If you see there, see where it's been rubbing. So, not quite sure why. I think the stand is bent, hopefully. Something to do with damage during transportation, maybe. But it's at a bit of a vertical angle. If you have a look, it's sitting almost upright, almost forward. There's a little bit of stress fracture, paintwork stressed on the frame as well, so around the bottom. So I'm not too sure what that's about, but we'll investigate that. I'm sure it's nothing we can't remedy over time. The good thing is, though, most of it's there. Original nuts and bolts, all that sort of stuff, which I love, so it's not going to be that hard, it's just going to be time consuming. So I think what we're going to do at some point shortly, I'll post another video, we'll check the compression, spin it over, check the oil, just see what we got, see if it's worth having a fire up maybe. I check the fuel filter and the pump and bits and pieces. You know, there's no telling, because with any project you tend to inherit, you know, issues. So it's finding what those original issues were. Why was it parked up? Why was it abandoned and never fixed? Probably because something expensive was wrong. But we'll see. We'll see on that. So all be revealed later on. Other projects, there's a few. There's a couple of bikes over there. I can't really show you those at the moment, but there's a TT 500 Yamaha, 3 little 100cc Kawasaki's that we want to get on the road. We have our own sort of white helmets team with those. Little TS 185 over there. Nearly done. Engine been rebuilt. It was sucking in gearbox oil, spinning on the main bearing. So it's almost back together. Just running out of time, and that's one thing we have got really busy lately, which is great. People are buying bikes like no tomorrow, which has kept us kept the workshop a bit mad. So we haven't had time to play with projects. Z1000 A1 coming on. Wiring's starting to go in. Coils are in. Can't quite see them because the tank's over it. Made some adjustments on the steering stops to get as much steering as possible. It's always a bit tricky because it's got a bandit front end. The tank compromises because the offset is less on the yokes, but we'll see how that goes. We'll crack on with that at some point. The carburetors are holding us up a little bit. They're on the bench, just waiting for a few parts. 36mm flat slides, the Cunis. There's a few bits missing that we need. I'll show you one bit that we had done. Super guy locally welded one of the float turrets back on. It's pretty amazing. Let me show you, which one was it? This one. See it there? See the welding? Lovely little job. That was very, very good. But anyway, that'll all come back together. It looks a bit of a minefield at the moment because there's just bits everywhere, but they're not that hard to assemble, and there's some good pictures online. Right, that's it for the time being. Keep you posted when we got some more news, and I'm going to post some GPZ videos, 900s that is, and you'll see how we go. So thanks for looking. See you later.